What's up, guys? Today I got another garden video for you. It's just going to be a small update as to what's going on in the garden. So here we go. So this is probably my favorite part of the garden to date. Our giant tomatoes that we have are finally turning. They're just about ready to pick. I might actually pick them today. I'm not quite sure, but they're huge. I don't know if you can tell, but that's my hand. They're pretty big, and some more babies growing up at the top. I ended up harvesting our carrots that we had. I didn't do a video of them just because it was early in the morning and I didn't really feel like it. Our broccolis, we have harvested these guys multiple times, I think 2 times now. These ones, they took a while to actually start growing some broccoli heads, but we got some that are growing. They're not quite ready to cut off yet, but there's a real small one in there. But they are growing, so I'm happy about that. Our Brussels sprouts, we need to repot them and put them in some bigger stuff so they can really start to grow. This one kind of got died off. It's not quite dead yet, but it's pretty much a goner. The bugs kind of got to it, but these two right here are growing pretty strong. Our cabbage are finally starting to create little balls or heads of cabbage. The leaves are starting to get real thick, which is what you want. And this is the bad part of the update. Our potatoes, those ones not so much, but these ones right here have developed blight, which is a fungus which actually caused the potato famine that killed like millions of people. It's really common nowadays. Happens, it's fungus that I guess travels through the air and is usually popular in like real humid places. But once it gets to be even like just this bad, it's kind of a lost cause. And so we're gonna go ahead and harvest this one. I'm gonna make another video showing that, but we're gonna harvest this one. These ones, depending on how the harvest of these ones go, we might try to let these grow a little bit longer, because there were some spots on this, but I cut them off to try and let them grow longer. But if the outcome of that harvest works out pretty well and we get a good bunch, we might as well go ahead and harvest these instead of, you know, letting them develop blight too. But that's our garden as of to date. And I'll post some pictures of the carrots. I took some pictures of us harvesting the carrots and a little meal that we made with those carrots, as well as some of the broccoli that we harvested. But this is how our garden's doing. Thanks for watching. Hey Gunner, you want a ball?